Hello dear aspirants. Speed and accuracy are two things that would matter heavily in bank examinations. When it comes to mathematics, people used to think about so-called tricks. I would say that it is all about developing good number sense, and good number sense can be developed only through practice. So practice the same questions a few times, the so-called tricks could be yours too. Now we shall discuss a few questions here, and I shall let you know how fast you can do them. Today it is my method, tomorrow it must be yours, and of course you can develop on your own and reach better levels of perfection. I have given you two questions. 1234.5 divided by 0.0005, and the second one is 1.2345 divided by 5. Look, the basic numbers remain the same, only the decimals differ. So first of all, forget the decimals and just divide full number by full number. So what is the answer here? I am going to divide 12,345 by 5. Here also 12,345 by 5 by forgetting the decimals. So it is 2, 4, 6, 9. Here also it will be 2, 4, 6, 9. 12 by 5 2, 23 by 5 4, 34 by 5 6, 45 by 4 by 5 9. So the basic values remain the same. Now I am going to adjust for the decimals. How many decimals on the numerator? 1. How many decimals on the denominator? 4. Here how many on the numerator? 1, 2, 3, 4. Denominator 1. Take the difference. 1, 4, difference is 3. Here also 4, 1, difference is 3. But there is a difference in it. 1, 4, 3 more on the denominator, here 3 more on the numerator. So here 3 more on the denominator, if so add 3 zeros. Here 3 more on the numerator, then put 3 decimals to the left. This is how you can easily adjust the decimals. So here I have taught you how to adjust the decimals. I am presenting another question here. 33 and 1 by 3% of 2 and 1 by 10 is what? Listen, a few percentage fractions are very popular and are frequently asked for all these exams. If something is frequently asked, better learn them by heart so that you can easily do the questions. 33 and 1 by 3% is one among such fractions that are frequently asked, and its value is 1 by 3. 33 and 1 by 3 percentage is 1 by 3. Double of it, 66 and 2/3 is 2 by 3. Half of it, 16 and 2/3, 1 by 6. These are popularly asked fractions. So better learn them by heart. 33 and 1 by 3%, what is the value of this? 1 by 3. Of means multiply. 2 and 1 by 10 means 20 plus 1, 21 by 10. So this is 7 by 10, 0.7 is your answer. Now I am presenting you another question. 62.5% of 16 and 2/3% of 192 is what? These are again very popularly asked fractions, so you may better learn them by heart. 62.5% means 5 by 8. Of 16 and 2/3 means 1 by 6 of 192. So this is 32, 24, 4 times 20 is your answer. The answer is 20. So have good practice so that connections between number and number will help you do things faster. Another question is presented. 1 and 1 by 16% of 64. Listen, there are infinite number of fractions and you cannot learn all by heart. 1 and 1 by 16 is not a popularly asked fraction, so I will not ask you to learn them by heart, such fractions by heart. But mind you, it is a very simple question, it is just a multiplication test. The meaning of the symbol is divided by 100. Dividing by 100 is very easy, put 2 place to the left. That is very easy, we can do it in the end. Now look, 16 and 64, they are multiples. Always they will give fractions of these kinds. So this is 17 by 16 of 64, 4 times 68, that is a parent value. Now we have to adjust for the decimals. What is the meaning of this symbol? Divide by 100. What is meant by divide by 100? Put 2 decimals to the left. So your answer is 0.68. Question number 6. 123.45% of 15. So it is essentially 123.45 into 15 divided by 100. Percentage means divide by 100. So how do we do this question? In small classes you will write 123.45 into 15. You will first multiply by 5, then you will multiply by 1, then you will add. But those must be the days of the past. If you know the table of 15, then this question becomes very easy, answer will be spontaneous. So how do we do? Instead of multiplying 5 and subsequently by 1, multiply the number 123.45 by 15 directly. 15 5s, 15 into 5, 75, balance is 7. 15 4s are 60 plus 7, 67, balance is 6. 15 3s are 45 plus 6, 51, balance is 5. 15 2s are 30 plus 5, 35, balance is 3. 15 1 is 15 plus 3, 18. So the basic value as the answer is 1,85,175. Now what all you need to do is to adjust for the decimals. 2 decimals here, 2 decimals for the percentage. So total 4 decimals. Put 4 decimals to the left. 18.5175 is your answer. A is to B is as 3 is to 4. B is to C is 5 is to 7. What is the continuous ratio of A is to B is to C? Okay, I am going to write down what is given. A is to B is 3 is to 4 and B is to C is 5 is to 7. Now look, B is connected with both A and C and B is having 2 values. Merge them into one single value. You can write down any figure here, but for the sake of convenience take the LCM of the 2 numbers 4 and 5, 20. So write 20 here. Look, what was B's value here? 4, but I wrote it as 20. How did I convert 4 into 20? I multiplied by 5. So multiply this side also by 5, it is 15. What was B's value in the second case? 5, but I wrote it as 20. How did I convert 5 into 20? I multiplied by 4. So multiply this side also by 4, 28. This is how we can do this question. But mind you, in our schools we were taught certain questions very beautifully by our teachers which we would never forget. This was one such question for me. A is to B is 3 is to 4, B is to C is 5 is to 7. Our teachers would say that whenever a question of this kind would come, go for the GA method. Multiply like GA, how the letter GA is written in Malayalam. The letter GA is written like this. So I am going to multiply like GA. Look, very simple. 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28. So you will get the same answer. So practice these questions many times. Practice maketh man perfect. So have good sense of number so that you can do questions faster and of course accurately. I shall come again with more videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channels to get more tips. Thank you very much.